there. Now that we have gone over the basics of Google Apps, and I did a short little lecture about what all's included in the Google for Education suite. We also talked about the Google for Educators Level 1 exam and what you'll need to do to complete that assignment, how to register for the exam, where to take it, what to study for, and how to run through those units. And I also discussed the use of the unit reviews for the Google for Education Educators Unit Review Quiz. Make sure you do those 13 unit reviews so that you're prepared for that quiz. I'm going to go over the first real assignment for the course. It is GSuite practice assignment. So right here, let's walk through how to do this whole thing. If you're familiar with Google Docs and Drive, this should be a breeze for you. Some people aren't, so I'm going to work through the whole thing to make sure we're all on a level playing field. So the first thing you need to do is create folders for each of the courses that you're currently enrolled in this quarter in spring 2020. Then you'll take a screenshot of your Drive showing all your folders created. So let me go to drive.google.com, and I'm just going to make a blank folder because I have so much stuff in here it will confuse some people. Oop. So think of this as your starting place. This is like your Drive. It's totally blank, nothing in there. So the first thing you have to do is create a folder inside your Drive for every class you're in this quarter. So go to the plus, add folder, EDCI 210. I'm just making up classes that you might be in here. Plus, new folder, EDCI 125. Plus, new folder, English 101. So say those are your 3 classes you're in this quarter. Step 1 is you make folders for every single class you're in, and then you have to take a screenshot of your folders. So I use the snipping tool. You can use whatever screenshotting app or command you want, but there's my screenshot. I'm going to save it to my desktop as Google for Educators practice assignment. Now, I do have a feature on my computer that allows me to save directly to Drive. Most of y'all don't have that set up. If you want to set that up, I'm happy to walk you through it, but I'm just going to go assume that you don't have it. So I took my screenshot. Second step is inside my 210 folder, I'm going to create a Google Doc entitled GSuite Practice Assignment. So go to my 210, get inside of it. New Google Doc. GSuite practice assignment. Now I have to insert that screenshot I took into the Google Doc. So insert, image, upload from computer, and I go down GSuite practice. And there it is. So my third step is, oops, sorry, I skipped it. My third step was to insert that screenshot into the GSuite practice assignment doc, which I just did. My fourth step is to share it with my instructor using this email address right here. And I'm doing this because I want y'all to understand that there are multiple ways that you can share things in Google. One way, as outlined in step 4, is directly with an email address. So I go in here, hit the big blue share button. I paste that email address, And then I want to make sure that I have it set to at least comment. I can have it on edit if I want, but at least allow comments. Send. So now I've shared the Google Drive, Google Doc directly with somebody using their email address, meaning they've got to be logged into their email to be able to access it. But you can also share with a shareable link. So the next step in the assignment is to create a shareable link and post that on Moodle. Make sure it is set to at least comment. So share, get shareable link, change your permissions right here to at least comment, copy that link, go back to Moodle, add submission, and paste it. You do not have to hyperlink descriptive text for this, but it makes it much easier for me to grade on my phone. If you choose to, you can either just paste the link in there, or you can actually hyperlink descriptive text like I'm showing you now. In order to do that, you hit the little down arrow to get your extra menu link, paste it in there, create link, and now you'll see that it is an actual web link. Save changes and it's submitted. So that's it. For this assignment, you just have to create a folder for every class you're in, take a screenshot showing me that you made those folders, create a Google Doc inside your 210 folder, insert that screenshot, and share it with me two ways: by email address, as outlined in step 4, and also by shareable link that you submit on Moodle. Almost everything you submit in this class will be a shareable link, so it's incredibly important that you understand how to do number 5. And as always, let me know if you have any questions.